Hey everybody, Jim back at you here. Hey, just going to share a quick video with you. What you're going to see is you're going to see some of my other food survival items, and not all of them, but you're going to see that I have a kit from ReadyWise. It's their hunting kit. It's basically a 3-day kit. I'm going to open that, show you what's in there. I've got some other ReadyWise um, meals that I'll share with you that I have, and we'll be doing comparisons to other products that I have in Mountain House and as well for Patriots. The other thing too, as well, is that after I kind of just show you that, then I'm going to show you a quick revealing of for Patriots 4-week survival food kit. It's really no different than their 3-month. It's just a smaller amount, right? Because it's instead of 3 months, it's 4 weeks. And I'm going to share what comes in that. There's really, nothing new from any of the other kits that you've seen, but just going to share that with you and the price that I paid for that. The other thing too is that I know that you hear me harp on the fact of an easy tear pouch, right? And having that tear notch there. Also, too, you hear me harp on resealable bags, right? Um, so let me explain just for one why it's big for me as far as from a tear notch and easy opening is that we have to remember that for me, I don't have a disability, right? I have all my fingers, I've got all my toes, and I'm blessed from that perspective. But it's not only those that might have a disability from where they have limited uh, dexterity, if you want to say, that there are those that also suffer from medical issues such as arthritis. And you don't have to be elderly to suffer from arthritis. I've seen, people in their 30s that suffer from this disease, and it can be overwhelming. So the thing of it is, if you think about how easy having that tear notch and that type of bag is in opening the package, that's huge for any of those that suffer from a mobility standpoint or a disability that encompasses their hands, their fingers. And so that's why you hear me harp. So I showed in this upcoming video, you're going to see me open this ReadyWise cookie dough that they offer for dessert, right? And it had the tear notch, and you'll see that it opens very easy. Also, too, as you can see, I still have the cookie dough that I opened up that you saw me in this video, and that's about 2 days ago, right? And I've just been slowly eating these and snacking on these. So it's got a resealable bag, right? So I want to be able to keep the freshness. Okay, so that's why I like a resealable bag. In some of my previous videos, whether it be apple slices, dehydrated apple slices that came, but it did not even have a tear notch to make it an easy opening, and it didn't have a resealable bag. But they say, hey, it's a snack, right? And the reason why I want the resealable part is because I want to be able to keep this fresh, right? Not everybody maybe has, the fold over and clip baggies, right? So, you got to remember, I'm almost 60 years old. So my household is pretty mature from the standpoint of what I have as far as resources. So this is the reason why, one, I want resealable bags is because I may want to enjoy these, over the course of 2 to 3 days, right? And I want them to keep them as fresh as possible. The other reason too that I'm onto the tear notch is because I want people who maybe have not had as great a blessings as I have to be able to still have my working hands, and I want them to be able to enjoy and to survive and to be able to open these as easily as possible, right? So that's my big reasoning that you hear me harp on a lot of these companies that aren't offering that type of technology in the survival kit. It has to be easy to open. We have to be resealing it. And I need a product, personally, I need a product that allows me to do individual servings, right? I may not want to do the whole serving. Now I will tell you that from a Mountain House standpoint, that one that I did the other day, the video that I came out with Mountain House's lasagna, that was a 5 servings, right? But at least I can go to Mountain House and I can pick that serving, right, where it gives me 5, or they also make, single servings, and even 2 servings. So there's a choice, but don't give me a full package of something and not give me a choice. And that's the part I hadn't done my studies on. And I feel cheated, right? And I'm just not a big fan of 4Patriots. Got to say it right out. But I just want to make sure that everybody's aware before they buy of what they're getting in a product, right? And it's good to have someone that's able to show other people, say, hey, this is what it looks like. Here's what I had concerns with as far as taste, as far as its ease to cook, how much water it requires. All those is a big help to a lot of people. And that's my only purpose. So hope you enjoy this video that I show you of what kind of preps that I have yet to taste and will taste and do comparisons on. And if there's something that you would like to see, let me know, and I'll reach out to make sure I can get some of that and do one for you specifically on that. So anyway, I hope you all have a great week, and most of all, stay safe out there, stay warm, and especially if you're in the Midwest, it's very cold out in the Midwest, and make it a great day, okay? Take care. All right, so going through some of my preps here. This is a box of ReadyWise vegetarian soup. I'm going to be trying that. Here is some Mountain House chili mac, and I'll be doing that comparison against 4Patriots version 2 as well. This is Heartland's finest powdered milk. Actually, I'm throwing this away. I've already tried it, and it's just terrible. And I've got some other meals here from Mountain House. This is their rice and chicken. This is their beef stroganoff with noodles. I'll be doing a comparison against 4Patriots version of that as well. This is several packages of scrambled eggs with bacon for Mountain House. And then I've got some number 10 cans, sliced bananas, right? Pineapple chunks, freeze-dried peaches, sweetly coated banana chips, and freeze-dried strawberries. And of course, I got 2 things of their buttermilk pancake mix for Patriots. And then I've got 4Patriots Deluxe scrambled eggs. I've got Mountain House scrambled eggs with bacon as well. And then another can of 4Patriots scrambled egg mix. So we'll be trying those things out. Here's some more ReadyWise. I've actually done a review on Breakfast Skillet from ReadyWise. This stuff does not reconstitute at all. And I'm sorry to say, but it's terrible. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. Oh, and so when I do the chili mac with the Mountain House and 4Patriots, I'll be doing the chili mac with ReadyWise in that comparison too. Here's ReadyWise apple cinnamon cereal. Be trying out some of that. Strawberry granola crunch. Some noodles and beef. This is creamy pasta and chicken. This is their mac and cheese. I didn't even realize I had ReadyWise's mac and cheese, so we'll see how that is. And I didn't even know I had this lasagna with sausage from ReadyWise, but we'll try that. And then cheesy potato soup. I do have potato soup for 4Patriots, and we'll be trying that out too as well. And then I've got this veggie chili from ReadyWise. We'll try that out. And then I've got this ReadyWise outdoor meals, honey, and breakfast entree bucket, right? 3 full days. So this would be, I guess, maybe a close comparison to 4Patriots 72-hour survival food kit. Okay, there are 3 days. But I'll go ahead and open this up real quick, show you what's inside. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I got this open up. You can see there's something that's spilled out or something, but that's bad news. Let's see what they got in here. Mac and cheese, breakfast skillet. That's terrible. What is this? This is their chocolate dairy delight. I've done a review on that too as well. This stuff's all right, but it makes a good hot cocoa too. But let's see, creamy pasta and chicken, strawberry granola crunch, Ready Wise cookie dough. We're going to try some of that. I've already got a package of that out. Strawberry slices. So this is dehydrated strawberries. This is their vegetable soup. Spicy Asian style noodles. These are apple slices, dehydrated. This is their veggie chili. And apple cinnamon cereal. Spilling all this. And some of their noodles and beef. So we'd already seen some of that already here. So, but you can tell trying to see if I can taste what that is. That is Ready Wise's outdoor meals hunting food kit. So concerned now how much of that product in here is bad or which one is bad. Thanks. Yep, there's the hole. That's what's leaking. Thanks, Ready Wise. So I'm going to go ahead and open this package here of Ready Wise cookie dough snack and just see how it tastes, okay? So real quick here, there's the tear notch. There's that. And the reason why it's a big deal for me about this tear notch, you got to remember there are people out there with certain disabilities, right? And certain health conditions such as arthritis, things like that. A very simple thing of trying to, rip this if it didn't have the tear notch would be pretty tough for those with disabilities, right? So that's the reason why I'm saying every package should be like this, because even people with disabilities are going to have a survival method, right? And they may not be able to use scissors, right? But they may need something as easy as this to rip open so they can do that, right? That takes a lot less effort than I think on others, but obvious, I am not disabled, right? I don't have a disability, but I still think about those that might be experiencing that, whether it be even some of our veterans. But, the elderly, they're not as strong as they used to be. So, and opening a simple package could be very tough for them. And having that tear notch just allows us to do that. So let's go ahead and open this up here. That's the cookie dough. So it's got an oxygen package in here. Let's get that ripped out of there. There's that. That's cookie dough. So I don't know if that's going to be able to come in, but best eaten by, I think that says, sorry, I got to take it out of the camera view for my old eyes. Best by 4/20 of 2037, it looks like. Yep, 2037. Try to shadow that. There we go. Well, anyway, those are good. Can't go wrong with those. Ready Wise, desserts, trail treats, cookie dough snacks with a resealable package. So, A+ on that. If you like cookie dough, you can't go wrong if you get some of that from Ready Wise. Okay? Thanks. Okay, for Patriots, 4-week survival food kit. One-time purchase, $279.95. So it says, America loves this delicious survival food kit. The 4-week survival food kit is a perfect place to start. Each kit has 192 servings of tasty survival food, about 7 servings a day, and 36,480 total calories, approximately 1,302 a day for a stressful emergency. Packed in a covert tote for easy storage. So it's got breakfast, lunch, and dinners in it. It's designed to last for 25 years. Disaster-resistant packaging, tastes great, easy to prepare, hand-packed in the US of A. They give supposedly 100% money-back guarantee. There are some free gifts in here, and they give you free shipping and handling within the lower 48. So that would not include Alaska or Hawaii. Here's what you get in your 4-week, 11 tasty recipes. So they're giving their mac and cheese, their buttermilk pancake, creamy rice vegetable, dinner bell broccoli bake, Frank's Alfredo, fireside stew, Grammy's sweet oatmeal, Heartland's finest powdered milk, old-fashioned vanilla pudding, and their sweetly coated banana chips, and then just white rice. Your free gift. You get a free bonus gifts with your order. I'll show you what that looks like here, because they basically give you a link to go to download and print this off. So that's what they give you, your professional water survival guide. Okay, you can see that right there. And let's see, survival gardening guide. Top 10 items sold out after a crisis. That was the gift that I got from 4 Patriots for their 4-week survival food kit. All right, so let's get back to what's actually in the tote physically, okay? 4 Patriots. Here is another kit that I bought from 4 Patriots. It's called their 4-week survival food kit. So I'm going to unpack it, show you what's in there. All right, so I got it unpacked. $279.95 is what I paid for this kit right here. And again, there's not a lot of substance to it. And I've mentioned I'm down on 4 Patriots. I just made a big mistake. You know, I wasn't paying attention carefully, and it's a reaction. You see the commercial, you worry about things, and you don't want to be, you know, without food. But I can tell you, for me, this isn't the direction I want to go. I'm glad I'm doing this exercise, because now I got to put it in hyperdrive and get those things that I have tasted and that I do like, and then continue to try things differently. I've heard a lot of good things about Peak Refuel. I've heard good things about Augustin. But I am going to start buying a lot more of the Mountain House kits out there, because I tried them. They're good, whether it's the breakfast, whether, you know, it be their lasagna. I've had their stroganoff. I've had their stew soup as well. It's good. I've had their breakfast. So I don't think I can go wrong with Mountain House. But if I haven't tried it, I still will get a sampling of Mountain House, and I will try that. And then then after I've tasted it and done that, then will I go ahead and buy more. So it's what I've got so far.